assume the nature of being wealthy and live in the feeling that it is already so. You see, when you do that, you are adapting the nature and identity of God. In other words, you are accepting your awareness of being to be the creator that is within you. Therefore, you must activate the creative power by acting upon your burning desires in life. So, when you assume, you must believe that it is already done and live in that feeling, and you will get the leadership and direction into what to do to make it your reality. Peace.